Good morning, guys. Saving with Shay. I am wearing my red because I am at CVS, and so I put together just a few deals. I'm hoping that everything works out. It's Thursday. I'm hoping that I can make some deals work. I was waiting to see if I was gonna get any threshold CRTs emailed to me, and I did get an 8 off of 40. We'll have two 8 off of 40s. I'm hoping to be able to roll all of my extra care bucks. I have some that expire on the 17th and the 18th, so I'll at least be able to share with you guys 5 deals. We'll also do a household deal as well to kind of roll that 8 off of 40 that I have again on 2 cards. That'll be a completely digital deal as well, because there's $3 digitals and dollar digitals, and so that should be sweet. And so, but if this is your first time joining, I'm Chanel. Definitely make sure that you subscribe. You won't regret it. Make sure you smash the like button, support your girl Sunday, set your condo. And then don't forget to ring the notification bell so you never miss a video. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get
the first deal that we're going to do is on the CoverGirl. It's a moneymaker, so I figured why not start with moneymakers, right? So it's a part of a promotion this week. It is buy 2 get back 5 or buy 3 get back 8. Either or, it's not tracking. So you gotta buy it all at one time. All right, so for this, I was gonna grab these pencils down here that are a little cheaper. They're only $4.99, which would make a sweet, sweet deal, but my store is out of them. So I'm gonna go ahead and just grab these for $5.79. I'm gonna grab a total of 3 of them. I'll be using 3 of these coupons right here from the Save. Was it the Save? No, Smart Source 108. And then I also have a $2 CRT that everyone is getting. Plus I do have a 3 off of 10 cosmetic CRT I'm going to use. And that'll bring the total down to paying $3.37 out of pocket. But then I'm going to get back the 8, making this a $4.63 moneymaker. This next deal is going to be on the Colgate. It is on sale for $3.99. It's also buy 2 get back 5 with a limit of 2. I would normally go ahead and grab the Colgate Optic White because its shelf price is higher, but I feel like lately I've been selling more of the Max Fresh, probably because it's a larger tube, and so I'm gonna go ahead and grab a total of 4 of these. Again, they're $3.99. Total's gonna come to $15.96. We're gonna use 2 $2 off of 1 digital coupons for this deal. We're also gonna be using the $2 off of 2 coupon from our inserts as well. Okay, that's gonna bring our total down to paying $8.96 out of pocket, but getting back $10 in extra care bucks. I'm making this a $1.04 moneymaker. So this is what my first transaction is gonna look like. These are the paper coupons I'm gonna use, and then again for the Colgate we have 2 $2 digitals, and then for the CoverGirl, I don't know if I showed it, but we have a 3 off of 10 cosmetics and a 2 off of 1 for this transaction. So hopefully if everything works out, we should end up paying $12.33 and then getting back 18, making this a $5.67 moneymaker. Alright, so here is what my receipt looks like. There goes our 4 Colgate at the very top, followed by the 3 CoverGirl. All the coupons that I used all worked. All of the digitals that I needed to apply did apply. I rolled $12 in extra care bucks, paid $133 out of pocket subtotal, and then we got back the 18. So yeah, this one worked out pretty good. So let's go on to the next deal. I'm at a different CVS, and I'm so excited that they do have the ones for $4.99. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab 3 of them. We're gonna be using the same 3 off of 1 coupon from our inserts, and then we're gonna stack it with that $2 CRT as well. We'll pay $3.97 out of pocket and get back 8, making this a $4.03 moneymaker. I'm gonna go ahead and do this household deal using that 8 off of 40. We're gonna stack this deal with the CoverGirl, and so this store, they don't have the original type. They only have the free and clear or free and gentle one. So we're gonna grab that one, priced at $12.99. We're also gonna grab the liquid, which is also priced at $12.99. We do have a 3 off of 1 Tide Pod digital that we can use, as well as a liquid. Where is it at? And we have this one right here we're going to use as well. And then we're going to also grab the regular Tide Pod, the 16 count, priced at $5.49, and we're going to use $8 digital for that one as well. So this is what this little transaction is gonna look like. And again, I do have an 8 off of 40 right there that we're gonna use. And then we have digitals for all of the Tides and a $2 CRT for the CoverGirl. So this transaction should come to paying $20.44 out of pocket and getting back 18 in extra care bucks, making it a net of $2.44. So let's go ahead and check out. All right, guys. So this is what we did for this transaction. I did 2 transactions. I did the CoverGirl and the Tide first, and then I did the Max Fresh second. This is the first one. There goes the Tides. There goes the CoverGirl. And then all of our coupons worked. All of our digitals worked perfectly fine. I expected it to be $20.44. All right. I had $5 in extra care bucks that I rolled, paid $15.30 out of pocket, and then I got back 18. I already rolled the 8 on this transaction here. So with that one, I went ahead and I grabbed the Colgate again. All right. Now for this, I decided to try and use an extra $2 coupon to see if it would go through, and it actually did. I wasn't sure if it would bump off the $2 coupon that's on the digital one, or one of them at least. So the first 2 are the manufacturer coupons, and there goes the 2 digitals, and the subtotal was $7.96. I wrote the $8 from the CoverGirl onto this one here. 0 was our subtotal, and we got back 10. So yes. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and add this Dove deal onto this transaction. It's buy 1 get 1 50% off, and it's also buy 2 get back 3 with a limit of 1. So the first one's gonna be $5.19. The second one's gonna be $2.59. That total is gonna come to $7.78. We're gonna use this 4 off of 2 coupon right here from the Unilever. That's gonna bring our total down to paying $3.78 out of pocket, but we're gonna get back the $3 in extra care bucks, making it 78 cents for both, or like 39 cents each. I'm adding this deal because I need to use $18 in extra care bucks, and this will put our total at $18.11 for the 2 of the Dove, which I think I'm gonna actually grab these up here. I'm gonna grab these up here. So this is gonna bring our total to $18.11. We'll roll $18 in extra care bucks and get back 21. So we'll pay 18 and get back 21, which is awesome deal. So let's go ahead and do this last transaction for today. And I got the $2, but your girl had to freaking fight for it. Oh my gosh, irritating. He was doing the most for it. He was doing the most. Just doing the most. I'm just gonna say that. But everything else worked out. Like I said, the $2 CRT for the CoverGirl didn't come off. And I got back the $2 forced extra care buck for that. We wrote $18 in extra care bucks, and we got back 21, which is cool. So this transaction worked out pretty good. I think that's it for today. So let's go home and give you guys a final breakdown.
Here is my complete haul for CVS so far for this week. I went ahead and ran Colgate all the way through. We also ran CoverGirl throughout as well. I was able to find the cheaper ones on 3 of my cards, and we went ahead and went with these on the other 2. So we maxed out that deal across the board. I'll probably do Dove again because I think for 39 cents each, that's a really good deal on Dove. I thought I had another 8 off 40, but I don't. So I probably won't be doing the household deal again. I was hoping to do the Neutrogena, the bars. I couldn't find any anywhere. Other than that, you guys, that's basically it. Let me show you this receipt really quick. I ended up doing this on 2 of my cards, and it was perfect. It's definitely newbie friendly deal, especially if you don't have any extra care bucks, which these 2 cards I didn't have any extra care bucks on. So I went ahead and just rolled some rebate money. But I did the Colgate and the CoverGirl, and then all the coupons that I used. So the subtotal was like $11.93, and then you got back 18. So it made each of these transactions a $6 money maker. But other than that, you guys, as far as this complete haul here that you see, the retail for this was $198.70. I had $115 in coupon CRTs and digitals, which brought the out-of-pocket down to $83.70. And then we walk away with $103 in extra care bucks. It makes everything you see here free, plus a $19.30 moneymaker. Now, our tax for this was $17.38.
And so even after tax, it's still free plus $1.92, which is definitely not bad. Other than that, hope you enjoyed the video. If you got this far, don't forget to like, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys.